Hey friends, Melanie here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I post weekly workouts so that you can stay strong, fit, and fierce with me each and every week. If you're new here, make sure that you consider subscribing. Today's Hot HIIT workout is the fourth workout in our summer Sizzle Series. We'll be integrating high intensity exercises with low intensity work for a total body fat burning workout. If you love getting your sweat on with me today, I want you to click that like button below and show me some support for today's workout. Now let's get ready for our Hot HIIT workout. Let's get our warm-up going. We press down into the earth and then reach those arms away from the body. So we're stretching through those hamstrings, elongating through those fingertips, press down and then reach nice and long. Pull the belly in tightly. Drop the shoulders firmly down the back. Now, if you have really tight hamstrings, you can take a soft bend in those knees, but over time, I want you to work on straightening through those legs so that we work that flexibility a bit more. Reach, push away, open up that chest. Inhale and exhale. We have some high intensity exercises followed by low intensity work for that total body fat burning workout. Inhale, exhale it out. One last one. Inhale, exhale. Let's take a plie into that knee press, warming up the lower half of the body. We've got some jumps going on later on. Inhale and exhale, but you can always modify those jumps if you need to today. Really jab it across. So warming up upper body here and that lower body. You know I like those total body movements. Down and press. Inhale, exhale, get low with it. Working through those thighs. Inhale, exhale out. One more round. Press. From here, I'm going to grab my 3-pound weights. If you want to go heavier to 5-pound or no weights at all, absolutely fine. We've got a plie second, and then reach. Pull the elbows in, and then reach into a high V. Inhale, exhale out. So we pull in, flip the palms away. So you have a proud, beautiful chest, tall spine. Think of your back going against the wall behind you. Pull the belly in, sinking low within that plie, working through those legs. Inhale, and then squeeze at the top, down. Find your glute contraction. Inhale, exhale, press. Lower down with control, flip palms. So this is our strength portion. Press, inhale, and exhale. Breathe. Up and stretch it long. Inhale, exhale. Right away, we go into our plyos. Down, plyo push, and lift. Now, if you want to, you can stay with the previous exercise for a more modified version. Pull and lift. Woo, starting to feel those thighs fire up. Push the ground away. Stay with me. Inhale and exhale. Soft landing. So I want you to give me a strong plie at the bottom of the motion. Lift, press, working through those legs. Total body, fat burning workout. Press. Right away, we go into our curtsy. Side lateral raise, bring it back up. Curtsy, together, out. Now lift through the chest, all the way back. Open up through that curtsy. Open those knees. Inhale and exhale. I'm coming right into shoulder height from here. Pull, press, get low with it. Strengthening through those legs here. Long lean lines. Proud chest. Be proud of the work that you're doing today. For pushing play today. Reach, press. And again, if you need to go heavier with that weight for a deeper burn, go ahead and take that for your deeper burn today. but just be safe when we go into those higher intensity exercises. From here, we've got a plie knee. Now I'm gonna start to take this into a little hop. Pull press, knee, pull it in, up and around. So a little hop with me, or you can stay modified without that hop. Then give me that little torso twist, up and around, pull, press, soft landing, lift, press, inhale, exhale. So I want you to have that soft knee bend, so we're protecting out those joints. Lift, keep it going. Drop those shoulders down. Stay with me, you've got this. Lift it up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Moving right along from here, we will take second position. Lower. Woo! Breathe with me. Inhale and exhale. So it should be hard for you to talk after those high intensity exercises. Pull your knee in, get low. A very gentle side lean to work through those obliques. Inhale and exhale. Fingertips are gently behind the nape of the neck. Press. Inhale and then exhale. Squeeze. Press. One last one. From here, I plant the palms down. We've got a skater up and over and press. Skater hop and press. Reach. Cross it. So plant those palms down into the earth and press. Cross it. I really want you to find the cross here. Light fingertips hinging from your waistline, reaching nice and long, and then find the hop. If you need to modify it, maybe you modify without the hop today. Push across the body, up and over. Pull, press for 4 and 3 and 2. Last one, moving right along into our punch burpee. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, push, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, push, back. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, push, back. Exhale, cross that body. Down, push, back. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, push, press. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really jab, and then find that beautiful plank as you hop back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me intensity. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push, press. Again, pull the belly in. Tight belly. Exhale. And push. Reach. Press. Give me your energy here. Press. Don't give up on me. Keep it going. Drop those shoulders. One last one. Down, push. From here, going right away into our narrow to wide push-up. So from here, diamond push-up. Lower, lift. Lower. Take it wide. Down. Now, if you want to take these a bit more challenging, you can go into your full range plank from here. Press. So if you want to, you're coming up onto those toe tips. Lower, lift, lower, lift. Open out. So that could be your advancement today. I'm gonna go modified. So we take it down, press, lower. So I'd rather you give me the modified version if your form is suffering. So stay strong. It's okay if you need to modify today. Pull, press, one more set. Let's go. Down, press, down, open it out. We've got mountain climbers to finish off. Let's go. Pull it in. Drop those shoulders firmly down the back. Keep that body moving. Keep it going. Drop it in. Exhale, can you hug it in tighter? We've got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, hold it. Breathe for 4, 3, 2. Last one, push back. Hold that stretch. Amazing energy today. Great work. Holding here for 4, 3, 2. Last one.